Tips for clean eating. 1. Increase your intake of whole foods. More whole foods in your diet are the first step to better nutrition. Whole foods are simple to identify because they only contain one ingredient. Chicken breast, apples, nuts, avocados, broccoli, salmon, etc. are a few examples. Number 2. Consume good fats. They support your immune system, help you absorb nutrients, maintain hormone balance, and reduce inflammation. Fatty fish, such as salmon and tuna, avocados, almonds, nut butter, cold-pressed oils, and other foods are excellent sources of good fats. 4. Consume fruits and vegetables. Consume fruits and vegetables. You can get the fiber and micronutrients you need by eating fruits and vegetables. The best thing about fruits and vegetables is that you may consume more of them without gaining weight. With each meal, consume at least one serving of fruits and vegetables. The best thing about fruits and vegetables is that you may consume more of them without gaining weight. With each meal, consume at least one serving of fruits and vegetables. 3. Your body needs water. For your health, maintaining adequate hydration is important. Your body functions more effectively when you drink water. It also helps you stay warm, improves your mood, and flushes away toxins and waste. 6. Make sleep a priority. A good outlook, a relaxed body and mind, and healthy eating practices are all benefits of getting enough sleep. You may overeat, snack on fast food, or encourage unhealthy eating habits if you don't get enough sleep. 8. Be less stressed. Stress affects how well you sleep and how much you eat. If you don't engage in stress management techniques, it could affect your entire life. You may have heard about stress eating or perhaps engaged in it. That happens when you eat not to satisfy a craving but rather to cope with stress. 8. Create a meal plan. Some people find it difficult to plan their whole week's meals. Prepare and make your meals for the next 2 to 3 days if visitors come into this area. 10. Make more meals at home. Healthy cooking is a component of healthy eating. It makes no difference if a restaurant advertises that it serves healthy cuisine. Most of them significantly amplifies the components listed on the menu in their recipes, mainly oil and salt. Knowing every ingredient you use when preparing meals at home